Hey, welcome back. So today we are going to be finishing up installing the bushings. Okay, let's go.
Came off. This bushing is supposed to be in this. See this thing? There's a bushing in there.
Okay.
I don't even know if that one has one.
And that's supposed to be
Which are
inside?
these? It's supposed to be inside of them. And that keeps it from moving back and forth.
So what Josh started with here, he started with removing the lower column cover. And he's removing the 4 screws that are holding that cover up. So now we're trying to remove the cover from the side so we're able to get in there. And he is also going to be removing the ignition switch. Now the cover is loose, as you can see. What he's doing now is he is trying to remove the ignition switch. So as you can see, he did it. He inserted that pick inside, and I'm guessing he turned right, or he, inserted it to a point that it unclips, and he was able to get that. Now he's going to disconnect the shifter and also be removing that plastic cover that's connected there with the steering wheel and the shifter. So the old bushings have been removed, and now he went in and clipped in the new bushings. It's a little difficult to get the ones all the way to the back. So just remember, there's you can either have 2 more in the back or 1 more. So make sure you take a look at that when you're changing your bushings. Now everything is going back in place to where it was. He's going to be putting the shifter back, the screws, the bolts, and he's going to be putting the cover back up. And again, he did put his bushings on already, so that's good to go. so that's it for today's video. Everything is back to normal. It's back to its place. Now what we just need is to put that cover back on, and that's it. I'll have some updates for you guys hopefully by Friday, this Friday coming up. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope you guys subscribe and share, and don't forget to like. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Be yourself and stay true to yourself. See ya. Bye.
Where? Oh yeah, that's what I told you.
Alright, so today somebody's gonna come over and they're going to be replacing the front window. Alright, so they're going to be taking all of that out and putting in a new one. It is cracked, so Josh wanted to go ahead and get a new one. And then this tape too, that's up here, and it also has a leak that goes in through there. So we're getting that fixed today. Someone's coming in and replacing it. So that's the update so far. Right. And here's also how it looks now when he took off the dashboard here. Well, this part right here. He did take it out and replaced it, put a new one in, and then he also has this too that he's going to be replacing over here, which looks really nice too. And then these parts here, which are really good. And then he took off the top too. There was like this material on top, camouflage material, and he took it off. And then this is how it looks. Looks nice. So he's going to go ahead and fix that up too. But like I said, they're coming in to replace this. You see how there's like tape there? I mean, I don't know what kind of stuff they were up to, but it looks weird. So they're coming to replace that, which is pretty good. And that's pretty much it for now. So I'll keep you guys updated and posted on what goes on and what he's up to. He's been doing a lot of stuff to the truck, a little bit here and there. He did also replace the bushings that were in here for the steering wheel and everything, so that's pretty good. And he also has to go in to the junkyard and get the meter because it is not working. So he's gonna do that too. Pretty much it. Alright guys, if anything else, I will let you know, okay? Oh, and also he did take out the visors. See that there was some visors up here, so he did take those out, and I'm pretty sure he's going to replace those too. Okay. Alright guys, I'll let you know if there's any more updates. See ya. Bye.